So around, Emily's anchored over there. Not on her boat though. There's the lighthouse. Pete sailing. I took the helm, but I got a little scared.
Tell about the sailboat.
These little boats scare me a little bit, peeling over. What?
Those guys had their anchor hooked on a chain.
Oh yeah, the spinnato back here.
The guy had to dive in and get it loose.
Yeah.
It was our old chain.
Yeah, it could have been. No, we got all ours up.
Darcy's girlfriend.
Yeah, really, because she was kind of anchored around there.
Right where she was.
Yeah. We actually got all ours up with a crane. That was pretty crazy. This was right before the mooring field got put in St. Augustine. And
we were anchored like right over there.
Yeah, this is where we used to anchor, Norna. And you had like a 3 or 4 anchors to a swivel. And it was 1/2-inch chain. And the
we were over there. We were more like right where the trimaran
I
is.
thought maybe we were
Right about where the catamaran is.
Yeah, like over there here.
Yeah.
We used to row from here over to Little Beach over here.
Let's get you a little sandbar over there. No, like,
Oh yeah, here's the shallow spot. I think I might have beached Happy over here at one point.
I thought you did it over there at Bird Island.
I did, and then I accidentally did it over here. And we're like, well, since she's beached, might as well careen her. Anyways, so it's the conch house right over here. But yeah, there was a crane, kind of like one of those things, that dredge out there. Came in here, and we were on the dredge with the crane and everything, and they actually used the crane to lift that whole system that Pete had up out of the water, and we gave him all our anchors and chain. We kept, I think, 1 or 2 anchors, and then gave him the rest. So that was cool. It was I've never been on a barge with a crane. It was huge. I've never experienced that before, so that's probably one of the biggest industrial things I'd ever been a part of.
Oh, the crane that pulled all our chain up?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was not a real big one, but it was industrial for sure.
It was pretty big.
It was huge, I mean, compared to that
Yeah.
thing, but it was, yeah, they built docks with it, you know.
Wasn't it FA's?
Yeah.
It's hard to... I don't want to fix it. We try fixing it. We always try fixing that crinkle. It never goes away. Well, this is good. It's not super gusty, which I don't really like it when it's real gusty in here. This is actually a nice, light, even breeze. So that's really nice. They're doing some dredging out there. They're always doing dredging in this.
Yeah,
They used to be over here. The inlet used to be like down this way. The lighthouse, that's not the original lighthouse. The original lighthouse was out here, I believe.
Well,
and there was an inlet somewhere.
That's one of the original lighthouses. They just moved it.
Or well, there was one that was out here.
Yeah, there was a smaller one.
Yeah, it broke. It finally did just break apart.
But that one was from the 1880s or something, but they moved it.
Yeah, you can climb up to the top of it too.
How you move the lighthouse?
It's supposedly haunted. Pete's heard the haunt.
I did hear a girl screaming and I never saw a girl. Supposed to be the little boy threw her cat off the top of the lighthouse with a parachute on it.
Oh no.
And so the little girl was screaming about it. And I don't think anything happened to her, but you know, they say she still lives there or something.
This marina is where we left from when we crossed the Atlantic. Remember that morning?
Yeah?
I don't. I mean, I do remember it, but I was more in shock is the reason why I kind of don't. I don't remember, like,
believe it.
Yeah. Do you remember the first few hours even? I don't know if I do.
Just going out the inlet, it was a beautiful sunrise.
Yeah.
And we just kept going and kept going and kept going. I think we motored for a while, and then the wind finally came up a little bit. We put our sails up, but we just motored out of here at first.
Yeah.
Because it was just real calm.
And the guy untied us from the dock, supposedly. Yeah. I don't remember that, but you tell the story about it.
Yeah, some old guy was there. He goes, "Have a good trip." And we left and didn't know him from anyone.
Yeah.
He just happened to be there.
Yeah.
There was someone's coming up. It was kind of foggy early morning, kind of fog. Not real foggy, but you know.
And we got in that fog bubble with the shrimp boat out there, or the fishing boat, whatever
that
it
was.
was.
Like days later off of Cape Hatteras.
Yeah.
We were way off of Cape Hatteras, so we weren't near it. We were like...
Yeah, we were like 400 miles offshore or something.
Couple hundred miles.
Couple hundred. Okay, a couple hundred. I knew it was like 4 days to get ashore though, because I was...
Couple days.
Couple days.
Yeah, you can do about 100 miles in 24 hours. Not really. I mean...
Depends on the wind.
Close
Yeah.
to it. You should be able to do close to it, depending on the wind. Yeah, usually.
Yeah. Yay! Oh, there's a jetty out there. Danger.
Danger jetty.
Submerged danger jetty.
Like us that don't have any charts.
Like us. It doesn't go any farther, does it? It shouldn't.
Well, that one says slow minimum waste. And here's the waste.
And here's the bunkhouse. And over here, this whole area is a good spot to go to the beach, actually.
Actually, has a decent anchorage all the way over there, but you get rolled by the boats coming in.
Yeah.
Like full draw through there. It's very slow racing.
Yeah.
Until you get it right here.
Yeah. Right here, actually, slow speed.
Yeah.
Alright. I think I got a good capture of everything, and I'll come back in a minute once we head back. Yeah.
Oh, shit, pull something.
There's the dredge.
We got our centerboard down, so it is moving.
Good job, Pete. Putting the centerboard back down. It's nice having a centerboard.
Yeah. Depth sounder. Sunset sail.
It's really pretty.